All right, so if you're like me and you're ready to draw an astronaut, you might want to see an astronaut suit, right? Okay, because you know what they look like, but you don't really know what they look like. So what I've done is over here in Google, I found a picture of a suit that I like. Now, there's a couple ways you can open up both of these at the same time. You can hold down, on the photo and save it to your photos, and then go back to Fresco. You see the little image over here right above the color selector? Click that, click on photos, and then you can see your photo is right there on the left. We can bring it in, shrink it down, stick it in the corner, and just leave it there on a separate layer until we're tired of it and we can remove it. Or you can cancel that and click the three dots up at the top if you're on the newest version of iOS and do a split view. Hit Chrome or whatever your browser is, and you can actually work this way. It's actually easier probably if you're right-handed. You could start in Chrome, hit the three dots, split view, and then choose Fresco. And that'll bring it up on the right side. It resizes everything else. So you can still, see your drawing or see your reference or whatever and flip through that while you're doing your drawing. All right, so I'm gonna make sure I'm on a new blank layer, which I seem to be. Now, for this first part, I'm actually just going to kind of build out the guy, all right, and what his suit is going to look like as far as like how it's shaped and all that kind of stuff. So this is not really the final, but we're getting in the ballpark, right? And so I'm starting to build in some of the things that's going to be in there. And again, I like to hold the little option thing to erase if you want to, instead of switching to the eraser. It keeps it looking like the rest of the drawing. Definitely taking a few, creative liberties here. But at this point, I'm just trying to get all the shapes of things in there, kind of roughly where everything's going to be. And then we'll plan on doing details on probably the next layer. That'll be the last detail layer probably. And the straps for his backpack. And this is still pretty sketchy. Like I tend to work really sketchy until the very final drawing myself. Not everybody works this way. That's fine. If you don't like sketchiness, you don't handle sketchiness very well, you're allowed, totally allowed. Looks like he's getting a good reading today. Gonna use that circle trick here to make his. Actually, what I like to do for something like that, because I need to be able to move it a little bit, put it on a new layer, hit the plus sign over here, bring up a new layer, then draw your circle, place it however big you want it, and then we can go to the transform tool right there and actually place it exactly where we want it without worrying about the other layers. We can even shrink it a little bit. I think I want it about right there. And then once you're done, we'll hit done at the top right. Click on the layer with the circle you just made, and it'll bring up this big window. Lots of options. Merge down at the very bottom. Sorry, I clicked it too fast. But yeah, hit merge down, and now that circle is on the drawing with the sketch. I'm gonna go ahead and move this back out of the way because I kind of know what I'm doing here, I think, or I know enough. Let's see, a couple of ugly fingers. We'll fix those in a second. We'll do some like hologram cool stuff or something at the end here on his arm. I don't know what these things do, but they're doing something over here. And actually, we're gonna move the moon right here. A little bit out of the way of our little tool there. And I think we'll go ahead and just draw in the rest of this. I'm just gonna follow my original sketch lines a little bit. Actually, I want to do these a little bit thinner, maybe. All right, so now we can go into that sketch underneath. We can turn that off. All right, so it's getting pretty clean here, all right? And then some people, they might take this and decide, you know what, I like the sketchy look, I'm gonna polish this out. But that's a little bit more advanced, I would say, than what I'm trying to show you guys today. So we'll use this as the last kind of rough sketch, and we'll really tighten up the next one.